Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing a classic Christmas makeup look. Before we start with the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video so you can see all my future videos. So let's start. For today's video we're gonna be using this palette from Pat McGrath, and this one is called Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity. We're gonna be using all these beautiful colors. We're also gonna be trying, I don't have too many new products because I like to wear the products that I trust, the products that I know that's gonna work, because it's gonna be Christmas Eve when I wear this makeup and I wanna look flawless. This year is a little bit different and probably we're not gonna do much, but I don't know you guys, but for me, every time I do my makeup, I don't know, for some reason it made me feel better. It made me feel good, like, you know, it gave me energy to do something. So I'm not gonna do much, but I wanna look good. So let's start with the makeup. We're gonna start with this primer from Tatcha, and this one is called the Liquid Silk Canvas. I just like to apply a little bit like this in the center of my face. Look at this. I was picking my face today and now it's a little bit swollen. I don't know why I do that. I'm normally not one of those girls that like to be picking their face because I know that later I'm gonna regret it, you know, like today. But I don't know what happened today. This primer makes your skin feel really soft and also fill up a little bit the pores. I really like it. It's a little bit pricey, but it's nice. For foundation, we're gonna be using this one from L'Oreal, and this one is called 24 hours, I don't know what, 24 hours foundation. The color that I have is the 105. This one is pretty thick and it has very full coverage. And normally for this kind of events like holidays or special events, I like to wear foundations that actually have full coverage. I haven't used this foundation in a while, but I forgot how pretty it makes your skin look. Excuse my hair, but it doesn't want to cooperate today, man. Don't forget to bring your foundation all the way to your neck, because otherwise it's gonna look like a mask. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the eyes, because I want to apply a little bit concealer in my eyelids so I can start applying my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the other side of the brush. I'm gonna get a little bit of setting powder and I'm gonna put it on my eyelids, so that way when I apply the eyeshadows, they don't look all patchy. As a transition color, I'm gonna grab one of these colors from this small palette that I have. This one is from, all these shadows are from Makeup Geek, and I really like how the colors go with that palette. palette, and I'm gonna get this pink color right here. So now I'm gonna be taking this color very dark right here from the corner. I think I'm gonna take this brush for it. This one. Look at this pigmentation. So I'm just gonna apply it right on the corner of my eyes. That I'm gonna start cutting my crease. I'm gonna take this brush from Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use this base from P. Louise. I like this one because it has very thick consistency, and it makes you it helps to do the cut crease. This is how I like to do my cut crease. So I kind of look it straight, and then I make like a little line right here. So when I open my eyes, I can see if it's enough, like high enough. Apply my concealer and I cut my crease. I'm gonna be applying this color right here. This one is called Benonymous Void. I'm just gonna apply it like towards the end of my eye. Corner of my eyes, I'm going to be applying this color that is called Venusian Orchid. And I'm going to apply like this. I'm going to be using my finger because I feel these kind of shadows are better to apply with your fingers. How pretty it is. I'm gonna cover over that one corner. Apply a line of glitters just to define the cut crease a little bit more. See how pretty that is? For my eyelashes, I'm gonna be using this one's from Salon Perfect, the number 614. And the glue that I'm gonna be using is called Lash and Go, and it's by Velour. This one is my favorite one, and I feel like it's really easy to apply your eyelashes with this. But pretty much you have to make like a small line very close to your eyelashes. You see how easy that is? And then we're gonna go with the eyelash. I didn't apply any glue to my eyelash because this one is a glue and eyeliner combined, so you don't need to apply glue to your eyelashes. You just have to place them and press it down so they will stay there and they won't move. You see? Very easy. Now I'm gonna be applying some mascara so they will look more natural. See? You see the difference in eyelash and without it? I'm gonna apply my other eyelash and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have my eyelash on, I'm gonna be applying this. This is a dark circle concealer. That's what it's called. I'm just gonna correct my dark circles with this. Now I'm gonna be applying my concealer. I'm gonna apply this from Tarte, and this one is the very famous Tarte shade. And I like to mix it with this one from Jacob because this one, the color is very light. So I make my concealer look really nice when I mix both of them. Set my under eyes, I'm going to be using this powder from Huda Beauty. These ones are called Pound Cake. I'm going to be using this bronzer by Chanel. And this one is called Soleil Time Edition. Soleil Time Chanel. So that way my face will look too white, like a ghost. I'm be setting my whole face with the same powder that I set my concealer. That one's from Huda Beauty. this blush from MAC. This one right here, and this one is called Ginger. Right, so the highlighter that I'm gonna be using is this one by Anastasia Beverly Hills and Resi. I kind of want to leave my eyes like that. I don't want to apply nothing underneath. I don't know how they look. I'm gonna apply the lipstick first. I'm gonna be applying this lip gloss from this one is by Maybelline, I believe. Yeah, I like how it looks with the lip gloss better. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my eyebrows, and maybe I'm gonna do a little bit in my eyes. I'm gonna be applying the same color that I used in my lid. Already finished my eyebrows, my eyes. I really like how this lip gloss look. Yeah, this one is by Maybelline, and the color that I have is 09 Topaz. It's really pretty, really shiny. It's not sticky, really comfortable. So to finish my makeup, I'm gonna be using this by Morphe. This one is called Continue Setting Mist. I really love how this makeup came out, and I think it's perfect for any holiday. And I know maybe we're not gonna have parties or anything like that, but if you still wanna look pretty and you wanna do your makeup, I think this makeup is perfect. Anything with glitters, I think it looks pretty, and you can be using this for New Year's Eve or Christmas or any holiday that is coming up. So here is the finished look. There you have it. This is my Christmas makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels for more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.